Where are we?
We are in Goa.
I mean, exactly where are we?
Oh, exactly. We are at Global Heights.
At Global Heights.
Yes.
Exactly. That's what we are going to talk about today. We are going to talk about हम कहाँ हैं? Prepositions. Right. The exact placement, position and the location of something. That's what we are going to cover in our today's live session, preposition.
Let's start.
Alright, so starting with the start. This is Global Heights. I am at Global Heights right now. तो फ्रेंड्स हम यहाँ पर at क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं? हम at यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं exactly इस premises में हूँ, इस जगह में हूँ जिसका नाम है Global Heights. And that's why we use at Global Heights, because this is the exact premises. You can take a look. Okay, this is my building. So that's what we use. That's why I'm using here at Global Heights. At हम exact position के लिए use करेंगे. हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे I am at Goa, because Goa बहुत बड़ा है. It's vast, right? And when things are vast, we can't talk about the exact location, the exact position of something. So this chapter today is going to be a little interesting because I am going to show you my vicinity, and with my vicinity we are going to do some following and learning and walking. This is our walk and talk session. So let's start with the preposition of direction. Okay, हमें prepositions क्या basic 3 चीज़ें बताती हैं? Prepositions बताती हैं direction, position of something and the location of something, as this cameraman, this Miss Niharika is saying right now. Alright, so direction.
So over here you can see, friends, this is my vicinity. And you can see Trainer Samati over there. So we are in Porvorim. This place in Goa is Porvorim. तो जब भी हम किसी लोकेशन, किसी प्लेस के बारे में बात करते हैं कि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, ओके, तो हम उस क्लोज बाउंड्री के लिए, उस सेट ऑफ बाउंड्री के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं इन. लाइक आई एम इन पोरवरिम. यू कैन सी इट हैज़ गॉट अ बाउंड्री. So this over here I will use I am in Porvorim. Now let's move on to the next preposition.
Okay. तो मैं बात कर रही थी डायरेक्शंस की. सपोज मैं खड़ी हूँ कार पास. I am standing here on the road. Okay, on the road. And this car, this white color car, is parked on the right. My right side is parked on the right hand side. There are some herbs and shrubs and some plants on the left hand side. Which hand side? On the left hand side. तो ये direction है, right and left. Okay, a white color car is parked on the right hand side, and there are some plants, dry plants on the left hand side. This is how you give your exact location and position to somebody. Okay, for example, this play school, as you can see over here, it is on the right hand side. Okay, so when you are coming here, how the person will give you the direction? The school is on the right hand side. I am standing right in front of the school. I'm standing right in front of the school. And it is a little sunny in Goa. Yep. Alright, so let's move forward. Now we talk about the position of something. As teacher Niharika already explained you, at where we are talking about place, at a particular place. I am at play school right now. I am at play school. Alright? Fine? Now we talk about Now we talk about the directions like on, at, in, off. Okay, the detailed explanation of this chapter will be given by Miss Niharika. All right, so I hope this very simple concept of how to explain that how things are on the right, on the left, towards my right, towards my left. Okay, how you have to use this in your basic English. I hope आपको आज के सेशन में इतना समझ आया होगा.
Okay, so friends, now let's understand what teacher Sumati just explained with some examples. Okay, let's go a little further. Okay, over here, can you see students just behind me? Just behind me, that blue framing, that's Canara Bank. Can you see in there? Okay, I'll go a little more further. You can see there, that's the bank. So the bank is behind me. तो बैंक कहाँ पर है स्टूडेंट्स? मेरे जस्ट पीछे है बैंक. Okay, just behind me. Can you see that Punjab restaurant? Okay, it's over there.
Urban Turban.
Urban Turban. Okay, it's right behind me.
And
It's on my left. As the trainer Sumati just explained you, right in here, on the right, on the left. Okay, so where is Urban Turban? Urban Turban is on the left hand side. On the left hand side. Okay, now, oh sorry, a bike just
yellow.
passed by. A bike just passed by. So by, again, a preposition.
passed by, वो just यहाँ से गुजरी, यहाँ से निकली, गुजरी, निकली, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में a bike just passed by. My neighbor just passed by. Okay, just अभी यहाँ से निकले, यहाँ से गुजरे. And it's getting some.
And we are standing under the sun, students. Okay?
Under the sun.
We never say I am in the sun or we are walking in the sun. No, आप sun के अंदर नहीं walk कर रहे हो. Okay?
That in the sun is a very wrong preposition that people use. We are never in the sun. You're not inside that particular thing. Okay, you are under it. Okay, I'm standing under the sun.
Under the sun. A bike again passed by. The students, इस तरीके से आप English from your nearby environment आप सीख सकते हो. It's very easy. For more upcoming session, do follow us on English Tubers and
Sumati
Trainer
Spectrums.
Sumati's channel, Sumati's Spectrums. Okay. So friends, I hope so you have understood where do we use on the left hand side? On the car is parked on the left hand side. She has kept the picture card on her head. Okay. And where is Global Heights? On left hand side.
On the left hand side.
Okay. Where is my car parked? On the floor. I am standing on the road. I am walking, you can see, on the road.
The car shed.
Okay. Where is the car parked? Car is parked
In the
in the
car shed.
car shed area.
Under
the car shed area. Okay. Or in the garage. It's not a garage, it's a
It's a
open
car
thing.
shed.
It's a car shed. Okay. So the car is parked under. Okay. Because uske niche hai wo. Understood, students? I hope you did understand why do we use prepositions. We use prepositions, students, to show directions. Okay, kidhar? On the left, on the right,
left,
over,
on the right.
behind me, in front of me. Like right now, she is right in front of me.
Standing right.
In
I'm
front.
standing in front of teacher Niharika. So in front of teacher
And
Niharika.
I am standing behind.
Yes, she's standing behind
Okay.
me.
So students, it's very simple.
Also in American accent they say behind, but it's again a kind of accent that people use with their language. But basically in neutral accent we say behind. He's standing behind me. Okay, the car is behind me. The car is just parked behind me.
Can you
A
see
dog is sitting on the road.
On the road.
A bike just passed.
Passed by.
by.
Okay. So students, in short, prepositions are something that shows you two things. directions and position of both, of subjects and objects. It's very simple.
Simple.
तो जब भी आपको सब्जेक्ट की एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन जाननी हो, ये सब्जेक्ट कहाँ है, ओके, शी इज एट ग्लोबल हाइट्स.
The paper is in my hand.
Sorry.
In my hand. Okay, the paper is in my hand.
Okay.
So in कहाँ पर है? In my hand. Okay.
सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी आपको एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन जाननी हो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट्स की, तो हम वहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं prepositions. Okay, so see you friends in our next series, Walk and
Segment.
Talk English. Do follow up on English Tubers and Sumati's Spectrum. Till then, bye bye. See you all. Love you.